Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I'm the manufacturing manager at Leatherman. Today, I'll be giving you a brief overview of the tools and functions of the compact Sidekick multipurpose tool. The Sidekick is a great option for first-time multi-tool users or someone who wants to have the essentials of a Leatherman in a compact and lightweight form factor. It also comes equipped with a pocket clip and nylon sheath for multiple carrying options. The Sidekick has 15 tools, weighs 7 ounces, and measures 3.8 inches when closed. Now, let's walk through all the features of the Sidekick. When you open the Sidekick, the main tools are the spring action needle nose and regular pliers, as well as the regular and hard wire cutters. Spring action pliers are particularly useful when you have tasks that require you to hold objects with your other hand. Inside each handle, you'll find a few different tools, including a Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, serrated knife blade, small screwdriver, ruler, wood metal file, can and bottle opener, wire stripper, and lanyard ring. To access these tools, you can first push out the feature you want, then rotate the tool out of the handle. Each of these tools snaps into position and can be stowed back into the handle after use. When you fold up the Sidekick, you'll have access to the 420 high carbon knife blade and saw. Each can be locked for use and unlocked for storage. The knife blade can be opened and closed with one hand and features an easy to use liner lock for locking and unlocking. The Sidekick comes with a durable nylon sheath and is backed with our 25-year warranty. For more information about Sidekick or any of our multipurpose products, visit us at leatherman.com.